Assalamu alaikum students. What's up? Hope that everyone well. So again we come back new chapter, new syllabus, mathematics grade 7 book যেটা আমরা করছিলাম। So আজকে নিউ চ্যাপ্টার স্টার্ট করব expansion and factorization of algebraic expression. Okay? Chapter 4.1. In chapter 3 we have learned that when we multiply an algebraic term by another algebraic term containing the same variable, the coefficients and the variable are multiplied separately, such as example that's mean 2x into 3x. So at first we multiply an algebraic term by another algebraic term, the coefficient. So coefficient 2 into 3, and next the variables are multiplied separately. So variable here x into x. So that's mean 3 to the 6 or x into x, that's mean s square. Okay. So this topic expansion and factorization of algebraic expressions. Okay, so we start this chapter. Exercise 4A. Done. So basic level, find each of the following product. 1a 6x into minus 2y. So at first we multiplied the key 6x group minus 2y. So 6 to the 12 and x and y coefficient is multiplied xy and minus sign is put down. That's it. This is answer. So next we copy the question 14x half y. 14x into half y. So I think this is cut 14 to 2 divide jai. It goes to divide 14 divided by 2. That means 7 to the 14. So that's it. 7 on the 7s and coefficient multiply x y. So that's it. This is answer. So আমরা কিন্তু এক্সারসাইজ 3a তে দ্যাটস লাইক সেম টাইপের ম্যাথগুলো কিন্তু করিয়েছিলাম। এক্সারসাইজ 3a সি এই যে সেম টাইপের ম্যাথগুলো কিন্তু আমরা করিয়েছিলাম, জাস্ট মাল্টিপ্লাই করলেই হয়ে যাবে, ভেরিয়েবল মাল্টিপ্লাই। তারপরও আমি তোমাদের কনফিউশন ক্লিয়ারের জন্য চ্যাপ্টারটা আবার করছি, 4a চ্যাপ্টারটা করছি। সো নাও টু এক্সপ্যান্ড ইচ অফ দ্য ফলোইং এক্সপ্রেশন, জাস্ট এক্সপ্যান্ড করতে বসে। সো 2a 8x y minus 1. So 8x group y minus 1. So at first 8x groups multiply y, next 8x and plus or minus a minus 8x on the 8x. That's it. So beta kori যেহেতু এটা মাইনাস সাইন আছে, minus 9x 3y minus 2z. That's it. Same 9x group 3y. 9 3s are 27 and x and y coefficient multiply. That's mean xy. And next 9x group of 2z. So minus a plus and 9 to the 18 and coefficient multiply x and z. That's mean xz. That's it. In this way এভাবে সব ম্যাথগুলোই করতে হবে। সো আমি জাস্ট 2 এর a করলাম, b করলাম, এখন এটা করি। minus 4c 2c minus 5d. Oh, same. This is 4c groups of 2c minus 4 to the 8 and c coefficient multiply c square. Okay, c and c coefficient multiply c square. This is in this formula. আমি in this formula অবশ্য পরে করাবো। So minus a plus 4 5s are 20 and coefficient C and D multiply, that's mean CD. That's it. Now I 2p groups of 3p plus q plus 7r. At first we copy the questions, okay. Now multiply 2p groups of 3p. So at first we multiply variable 2 into 3, 3 to the 6. Next হচ্ছে coefficient p into p, that's mean p square. So plus a plus 2p groups of q. So 2 ones are 2 and coefficient pq. So multiply pq. Next 2p groups of 7r. So variable multiply 7 into 2, that's mean 14 and coefficient multiply pr. And C plus a plus. That's it. This is answer. যেটা করি যেহেতু মাইনাস আছে, ওকে, minus 7s s minus 4t minus 3u. Same 7s group of s plus a minus 7s into s coefficient multiply s square. Variable 7 into 4 multiply 28 and minus a plus and coefficient s into t, that's mean st. Same minus a plus. Variable 7 into 3 21 and s and u coefficient multiply su. That's it. This is answer. So now number 3, expand and simplify each of the following expression. So number 3 আমি এটা করি, তোমরা বিটা ট্রাই করবা, ওকে. At first you copy the question. 3 7a group of 3b minus 4c plus 4a groups of 3c minus 2b. So same way 7a groups of 3b multiply 7 3 is 21 and coefficient multiply ab plus a minus 7 4 is 28 and coefficient multiply a into c, that's mean ac, plus 4 3 is 12 and coefficient a into c multiply ac, plus a minus 4 2 is 8 and coefficient a and b multiply ab. Okay, in this way. So now like term arrange, like group term arrange 21ab and minus 8ab. So minus 28ac plus 12ac. Now calculate. Plus a minus 21 থেকে 8 subtracted. So 11 থেকে 8 minus, আমরা side to side minus করি. 11 থেকে 1 থেকে 8 no minus, so 1 carrying. So 11 থেকে 8 minus করলে 3, 1 carrying ছিল. So 2 becomes less than 13. So 13ab. Again plus a minus 8 থেকে 2 minus, that means 6 and 2 subtracted from 1, that's mean 160 AC. That's it. Okay, now তোমরা বিটা ট্রাই করিও. Now 4, expand each of the following expression. At first copy the question. আমি বিটা করি, তোমরা এটা করবা. s square plus 2x plus 5. Same method. S square groups of x plus 5 plus 2 groups of x plus 5. Now s square and x coefficient multiply, see s square into x. এখানে x এর power 2 আর x এর power 1. Multiply process এ this is in this rules power গুলো প্লাস হয়ে যায়. So 2 plus 1, that's mean 3. So this one is cube. S square and 5 multiply 5s square and plus 2x and 5 2s are 10. So that's it. This is answer. So intermediate level, same this math. Find each of the following products. 4 এর 1 এর মতনই 5. So আমি 5 এর এটা ট্রাই করি. minus 3 by 7x into 14 by 9y. At first we remove the bracket. 3 by 7x into 14 by 9y. It goes to divided 3 and 9. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. And this is 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Okay, I think আর যাবে না, so 2 ones are 2 multiply আর নিচে 3 আর coefficient multiply x into y. So that's it, this is answer. So তোমরা B and C try করবা. Now 6, expand each of the following expression. I think A, B, C তোমরা পারবে, আমি D টা করাই. minus 6s minus 4s keep y minus 3y. So same. Minus a plus 5 6 are 30 and x into x coefficient multiply, that's mean x square. So again minus a plus variable 5 into 4 20 multiply next x into x cube, that's mean x to the power 4 and y. Okay, minus a plus 5 3 is 15 and coefficient multiply x into y, that's mean xy. That's it, this is answer. So আজকের ক্লাস এই পর্যন্তই থাক. ওকে, আল্লাহ হাফেজ, ভালো থাকবা, পরের ক্লাসে আবার দেখা হচ্ছে.